Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. New Year is all about sparkle, glow, and feeling confident, and today I'm sharing this festive New Year makeup look that's glam but still wearable. It's perfect for New Year parties, dinners, or even a cozy celebration at home. I'll be sharing all the products with details. It's glamorous, glowy, and perfect for welcoming the new year in style. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment below and tell me how you're celebrating New Year. Let's get started. Skin prep, glow base is a must. I'm starting with clean, moisturized skin because good makeup always begins with skincare. I'm using Pond's Super Light Gel. It's lightweight, non-sticky, and gives instant hydration without making the skin oily. For extra glow, I apply a small amount of Garnier Vitamin C serum on the high points of my face. This helps brighten the skin and makes the base look fresh and radiant. Step 2, primer and base. For primer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Primer because it smooths out pores and helps makeup last longer, especially during long New Year parties. For foundation, I'm going with Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. It gives medium, buildable coverage and looks very natural on the skin, not cakey at all. I blend it properly using a damp beauty sponge for a seamless finish. To conceal dark circles and any blemishes, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal. This concealer is affordable, blends easily, and gives great coverage without creasing. Step 3, set and sculpt. To set everything, I lightly dust Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, focusing mainly under the eyes and T-zone so the face stays fresh, not flat. For contour, I use Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette to softly define the cheeks, jawline, and nose. Then I add a warm touch using Maybelline Fit Me Blush, giving my cheeks that healthy, festive flush. Step 4, glow like New Year lights. Highlighter is essential for New Year makeup. I'm using Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter on the cheekbones, nose tip, and Cupid's bow. This gives that perfect shine that looks stunning under party lights. Step 5, eye makeup, festive but easy. For eyes, I start with a neutral brown shade from Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette as a base. Then I apply a soft gold shimmer on the lid for that festive New Year vibe. I deepen the outer corners slightly with a darker brown to add dimension. For eyeliner, I'm using Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner to create a thin wing. It instantly lifts the eyes. For lashes, Maybelline Colossal Mascara adds volume and length without clumping. Step 5, brows and lips. I fill in my brows using Maybelline Fashion Brow Pencil, keeping them natural and soft, nothing too harsh. For lips, I'm choosing Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in a nude pink or soft red shade. These lipsticks are comfortable, long-lasting, and perfect for festive occasions. Step 6, final touch. To lock everything in, I spray MAC Fix Plus, or any setting spray you love, to melt all the layers together and give a fresh, glowing finish.